By day, she's Rosario, mild-mannered high school student. But by night, she's InfoStar, a hero with a bigger mission. Using trusted information sources, can she stop her nemesis, Megalopolis' supervillain, Misinformation, before she strikes again?
Think, Rosario. I need a plan. Huh? Yes, Mr. Mayor. I'll stop her. I won't let you down. I need information about what she's up to.
First, she watched a news broadcast.
The priceless crown jewels will be on display at the Megalopolis Museum.
Then, she read print journals. She found graphs online. And she used maps.
I've got it. I know where she'll be. We'll stop misinformation.
Once again, she planned and researched. Another triumph for InfoStar.